Welcome back! I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about supporting materials. Supporting materials are the building blocks of how we're going to make speeches. And these building blocks are going to create amazing ways to get your audience to understand information or even to persuade your audience to believe you. Now, the ones I'm going to go over today are examples and stories, statistics, and analogies. There's a few more in the book, so check a look, check it out. But these are the ones I'm going to focus on. Examples and stories are separated in the textbook, but really they're just different versions of each other. Examples and stories give real-world examples of what it is you're trying to explain. So, say you're going to do a speech about blood donation. You might actually tell the story of somebody who is saved because of a blood donation. You might give an example of somebody who's actually building a bridge if you're going to do a speech about architecture. These examples and stories are great ways to captivate your audience because we love narrative. We love stories. We love it when people explain things to us in this way. The next thing I want to talk about is statistics. Statistics are extremely valuable because they're numerical data. Stories appeal to our human side, to our emotional side, to our pathos. Whereas statistics and facts and things like that, they appeal to our logos or our logical side. And that's something that's really important to do. By using statistics, we can often get people to agree with us because they see the numbers, they see how big the impact is. Now, of course, statistics have a lot of ethical issues because they can be used, they can be changed in ways that can make them wrong. In fact, Mark Twain once said, there are three kinds of lies: lies, damned lies, and statistics. As you can see, statistics are not always great, but if used properly, are wonderful ways to support your speech. The final thing we're going to talk about are analogies. Your speech, too, is an analogy. If I were to say that supporting materials are the building blocks of a speech, because your speech is a building, and we need to have cement and bricks and wood and nails to put it together, well, that is an analogy. And analogies are a great way to explain things because it allows your audience to understand something that they're already familiar with in order to understand something they're not familiar with. That's the whole point of speech too, by the way. So you'll be using an analogy in your next speech. That's all I have for you right now. You have a great day, and I will see you on the flip side.